Hi everyone, so this is Maria Mirza, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can play in the Nexus Universe Roleplay server. I got a lot of queries regarding like how to play in the server and all, so I'll be resolving this specific query for you guys in this particular video. So all you have to do is you have to join the Nexus Roleplay Discord server. You can visit the website, and then from the website you can hop into the server directly. You don't need any whitelisting process. I'll be sharing all of this whatever I said अभी यहाँ पे. So first of all, you have to go to the Discord server. Let me show you guys. Okay, so this is the Discord server, and you'll be able to find this text channel. It says how to connect. Okay, make sure to go through the rules and everything. Okay, it's really important. Even though it's a public server, you must have your POV of whatever you do in the server. It's a must thing to do. Okay. For the further information, you guys can join in the community meeting and all. Okay, so from here you will be able to find this website link. You click on that, and this is the website. It will be like on your browser, and then you go to the explore server, and then connect to the server, and then join queue, and then launch FIvem. I am already connecting to the server, as you can see, so it won't like I won't have this connect stuff and all. If you guys have any queries regarding the server and anything, you guys can use the comment section. I'll answer you guys hopefully. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you really wanna have a really nice experience about the roleplay stuff, you must join this server. Bye.